Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Trending Flavors. Today I'm going to tell you 15 important current affairs for banking, railway or SSC exam. Let's start. Question first. Reserve Bank of India has enhanced the withdrawal limit for depositors of Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited, Mumbai from rupees 50,000 to dash per depositor. Answer is D. Rupees 1 lakh. Question 2. Which of the following will launch the Decarbonizing Transport in India project in collaboration with International Transport Forum to develop a pathway towards a low carbon transport system for India? Answer is A. Niti Aayog. Question 3. World Bank has approved USD 1.05 billion for three projects in which country to generate quality jobs and boost economic recovery in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Answer is C. Bangladesh. Question 4. Which country has signed a loan agreement of 200 million euros with India to boost India's COVID-19 response? Answer is B. France. Question 5. On which day the World Hydrography Day is observed globally every year to publicize the work of hydrographers and the importance of hydrography? Answer is E. 21st June. Question 6. What amount of line of credit has been extended by the Export-Import Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India to the Government of Republic of Nicaragua for the reconstruction of Aldo Chavria Hospital? Answer is D. USD 20.10 million. Question 7. Name the Padma Shri awardee and the social worker who passed away recently. She was awarded with the National Award for Outstanding Services in the field of child welfare, followed by Padma Shri Award in 1992. Answer is E. Vidya Ban Shah. Question 8. Name the former left arm spinner who passed away recently. He holds the record for most wickets taken in the Rani Trophy history. Answer is B. Rajendra Goyal. Question 9. Name the Indian American scientist who has been appointed by the US Senate as the director of the National Science Foundation. Answer is D. Sethuraman Panchanathan. Question 10. On which day the World Music Day is observed globally every year to provide free music to everyone and also to encourage amateur musicians to showcase their work to the world? Answer is A. 21st June. Question 11. On which day the United Nations celebrate International Day of Yoga globally every year to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga? Answer is D. 21st June. Question 12. Niti Aayog has formed a panel to develop a job platform for migrant laborers. Who is the present Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog? Answer is A. Amitabh Kant. Question 13. What was the theme of World Hydrography Day 2020? Answer is E. Hydrography enabling autonomous technologies. Question 14. What was the theme of International Day of Yoga 2020? Answer is B. Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Question 15. Which day is observed globally as International Day of Celebration of the Solstice? Answer is D. 21st June. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.